Hi everyone, all of you to BISP Self-Learning Video Broadcasting Solutions. My name is Sumit Goel and today I am going to demonstrate you the basic scripting in Qlikview. So let's see how to do that. So basically in Qlikview Basic, what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you that how you can restrict your data so that you will just show the desired data in the front end and the regular use data messaging function so that you have the right data in the dashboard. So first of all, let's load the QVD file. So I'll go to edit script, click on tab, add tab, and right here main data, click on OK. And I want to load a QVD file, so I click on table files, and this is my QVD file, dim underscore sales underscore staff dot QVD. Click on open, finish, save, and reload, and close. Okay, now what I'm going to show you is I'm going to create one table box, and in that table box I'm going to display all the fields. So right click, new sheet object, table box, and add all. And I want, let's say, the data hired, email, position, branch code. I want sales branch code at the beginning, so I promote it. Work phone, promote it, and the first name before work phone and the last name before work phone. Click on apply and OK, and you can see here this is the required data table. So let me arrange it first so that we are able to see it properly. And so I already loaded this data into Qlikview system. Suppose that we stop hiring the level 3 sales representative. So we don't want to show the data into dashboards also. Now that kind of condition where you just don't want to show data, or you want to have a subset of data, so that you just don't want to remove from the entire database, but just for the dashboard you want to have a subset data. So you can do some single settings in the Qlikview scripting and you can have the desired result or desired output. So let's see how to do this. I click on edit scripting, and just after this semicolon, below this semicolon, I write here where, and the field name is position, and what I want is I want to eliminate the record. So I write here, okay, just let me load this first and see the output. So this is our result. You can see here we have level 3 sales representative, level 1, level 2 branch manager. Okay, so I write here and write here where field name, position, we can use greater than equal to. So we have all the symbols. So I write here not equal to, position not equal to, single quotes, level 3 sales representative, and click on save. So like this you can do some simple settings in your scripting and create a subset of your data set, right? And reload the data, close, and you see the data has been eliminated from here, from the dashboard, right? So like this we can eliminate the record, and but the data is not eliminated from the database. It is only stop displaying into our dashboard. So you see how easy is to set a condition, right? Now if you want to set multiple conditions, let's say after some time or later on the company stops hiring the level 2 sales representative also, so we can use here and position not equal to level 2 sales representative. Click on save and reload the data and close. So you see here now we have only records left with with position as a branch manager and level 1 sales representative, right? Like this. So this is how you can set multiple conditions. Now let's talk about the regular data massaging function or settings we use in Qlikview. Now one of the very first thing came into my mind when I look at this data is the first name and the last name. Now okay, so we have a separate column for first name and we have a separate column for last name. So what I want is I want to have a single field indicating the first name and the last name together. So basically I want to concatenate the data into a single column. Okay, so in spite of two columns I want to concatenate the data into a single column. So how to do this? Let's see. So I click on script again, and just after the first name and the last name I write here first name ampersand last name. Ampersand is is for concatenation as, and we give a name here full name and comma. Click on save and reload the data and close. Okay, but it's not display over here, so we have to do some changes. So what we have to do is right click over here, go to this properties, and I add this full name and remove this first name and remove this last name, and I want full name just after the sales branch code. Click on OK like this. So we have sales branch code, full name, but if you see there is no space between the first name and the last name, right? So I want to give a space, so I click on edit script and I write here space ampersand, simple, and save and reload, close. Okay, you see there is a space between the first name and the last name. So you see how easy you can do all of these data massaging and data restriction activities. Now here in this edit script, which is something we face regularly doing the dashboard, these small things really becomes very handy and help us a lot for doing the data massaging, right? Now I will just show you one more quick thing, and after that I will end this basic video. For example, you see we have a facts field over here, and this facts field contains in bracket 1 to 1, and almost all the values are same. So basically I want to eliminate this. It must be a city code or something, I'm not sure about this. So basically I want to eliminate this and I want to display only the fax number. I don't want to show the city code. I know the city code, let's say, right? So what you can do is, so you can go to script again. I'll go to script over here, and just after the facts we can take the help of a function. There is a small function, we can write a small function. So what will be the function? Basically I want to display only the numbers. I want to eliminate this, so I use a function here, right bracket. What will be the text? Text will be in facts and how many digits we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I write here 8 as fax number, as a new column, fax number. So I write a function over here, then I save this and reload this script. Close. Okay, but still we are not able to see the fax number. I want to show the updated result, so right click. I'll again go to its properties, and I remove here, I remove fax from here, and I add a new column name as fax number. Add, click on apply and OK. Now you can see the fax number here with the without the city code. So like this we can do some, we can play around with the script. We can do we can use the where clause over here. We can concatenate the fields. We can simply display the data from the right side or from the left side, means we can use some simple functions. So that's all in this my video, and I will be come up with another video with some more basic scripting which will help you a lot in your Qlikview programming. If you like my video, simply put some comment, and I hope you're liking my video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.